Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box from Beauty UK. Now, I have seen so many people doing the W7 version of their mystery box, and when I saw that Beauty UK did a mystery box, I got really excited and I had to purchase this. If you guys don't know what Beauty UK is, I'll just give you a quick rundown of what the brand is. Beauty UK is a very affordable and cruelty-free brand. They first ranged in Superdrug a long time ago, and I mean a long time ago, and then they stopped ranging in Superdrug, and then for some reason they disappeared off the retail market for some odd reason, which seems really sad because I got really attached to Beauty UK. I really loved their eyeshadow stick. There's one colour on one side and then a kohl pencil on the other. So it's like an eyeshadow stick and a kohl pencil, and their eyeshadow palettes are really nice, and their CC cream foundation's really nice. I've actually done a full face of Beauty UK makeup. If you guys are interested, I'll link that video in the description bar below if you want to check it out. So I'm going to be unboxing this mystery box, letting you guys know my thoughts, what's inside the box, and letting you guys know that is this worth the money or is it not worth the money? Let's find out. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all of my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see what's in the mystery box and letting you guys know my personal thoughts, then just keep on watching. So this mystery box cost me $14.99 plus I had to pay for shipping. So it cost me roughly about £17, and they said the overall value of the mystery box is £40. So it comes in a box. It came in a box like this. It had my address on the front, which I took off, and inside it's literally wrapped around in tissue paper. I've not even opened this, so I don't even know what's inside this mystery box. I have no idea. So it came really nice and presented. So it's pink in the inside and it's wrapped around in tissue paper, so it's nicely protected. I'm very excited, so I'm going to start tackling into the tissue paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show each item individually, and I'll put the prices on screen so you guys can see how much each product is. Just to let you guys know, I'm sorry that my makeup looks a little bit rough on my face today. I've done a really long shift. I had to get up really early, so I just slapped a little bit of makeup on my face. Anyway, I forgot to mention as well, the makeup does come really nicely in plastic wrap as well, so it's extra protection. So the first item I've pulled out of the mystery box is this item right here. This is the Beauty UK liquid eyeliner. So I'm on the Beauty UK website now, and some odd reason, I don't know if that's just me, but I can't find this eyeliner anywhere on the website. I just can't seem to find it. So I'll have to further Google it and find out how much this eyeliner is. But inside the liquid eyeliner, so it is a foam tip applicator. So this is a foam tip one. It looks like a really nice black liquid eyeliner. I like the packaging. I think it looks really cool. So, doesn't have one of those shaker balls in it. But anyway, this one is the first item. Next we have this item right here. This one from the mystery box. This one is the Beauty UK Lip Matter Velvet Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in the shade Radical Red 2. Sorry, it's in very small writing. This lip cream here, it says on the Beauty UK website that this is suitable for vegans. So not only it's cruelty free, it's vegan as well, which is amazing. I haven't tried one of the lip creams before, so I'm really intrigued to try this. So yep, this one's in the shade Radical Red. Next item is this one right here, which sadly, I've already got this item, but enjoyments of a mystery box, you just don't know what you're going to get. So this right here, so this one is the Beauty UK Glitter Eyeliner, and the one they've given me is silver. So this one's number one. I know they've got two different glitter eyeliners. They've got a silver one and a gold one. It's really nice they included it in it. So this is the next one. So next item is in the mystery box is this one. So this one is it's a glitter dust. Okay, that's a glittery dust. And it's the same with this item. I can't find this one on the website either, which is a little bit strange, but I'm sure I'll still be able to find the price for it. So I'm not too sure if this is for eyes or this is for body, but that's kind of cool. So it's a little glitter dust here. The next item, we've got this one right here. This one is the Beauty UK Sweet Cheeks Cream Stick Blusher. Okay. With shea butter and jojoba oil, and this one is in the shade 6 Vanilla Ice. So it says on the website it's vegan. Now you guys know I absolutely love cream blushers. I absolutely love them. But looking at this, I'm not too sure if it's gonna be seen on my skin. It looks quite pale. I'm not going to open it and try it. The reason being is because I'm going to be saving these items for another video. I'm going to be trying the products on my face. So if you guys want to see that video, stick around because it will be in a part 2. But anyway, from what I can judge so far, let's just say for my skin tone, it's going to be a very natural blusher. And it says on the side as well, not only it contains shea butter and jojoba oil, it contains vitamin C as well. So that's really good. So there's quite a few skincare properties in this. So really excited to give this a go. So I'm going to pop that down there. Now the next item in the box. Okay, this is quite cute. So this is a mini eyeshadow palette and it's called Set Number 6 in Gold. So I don't know if you guys can see because of my softbox lights. But that's quite cute. Yet again, I can't find this on the website, so I don't know how much this costs, sadly. So I'm sorry about that. But I reckon it's going to be really cute. I reckon it's got like little eyeshadows inside, so that's quite cute. So I'm going to leave that down here. So the next item we have in here is Beauty UK nail art. Okay, so these are just like nice little nail stickers. So these are what you put on your nails so you can customize your fingernails. But so that's quite cute. Yet again, this is not on the website, but we have some little nail art stickers there. Next up in the box, we have a nail file. So I don't really do my nails, to be perfectly honest, but it's nice that they included a nail file. So this is a nail file from Beauty UK. Yet again, it's not on the website, but it's nice that they included a nail file. So that's that one there. We've got 2 items left in the box, guys. Okay, so we have this item from Beauty UK. So this one is the Beauty UK Ultra Gloss Top Coat. I think this is part of their Nail Pro Care range, is it? Yeah, the Ultra Gloss Top Coat. So this is part of their nail care range. So this is also vegan as well, so that's really good. It says it's an Ultra Gloss Top Coat, extra protection, extreme gloss, and speed drying. So that's really, really good. So your top coat doesn't last forever. So once you've done your nails and you wait for them to dry, you pop this on top and it just makes the colours last a little bit longer, and it also gives it quite a nice shine as well. So that's this item here. And last but certainly not least, we have it wrapped around in this little bit of tissue paper. So I'm just going to open that. And we have, something to go with that top coat. We have a nail polish. We've got one. So this is the Beauty UK nail polish, and this one is in the shade Blue Crush. So it says on the website, it's a new nail polish collection, 30 beautiful shades in enhanced formula and intense coverage. So it's pretty much like a baby blue. I don't really do my nails, so these two make a really, really nice pair. And facts, all 4 of these make a really, really nice combination. So you've got a nail polish, nail art, a nail file, and you've got a nice top coat to go with that. So they're a nice little bundle there. All right, guys, so I'm just going to recap you everything that was in the box. So we got the Beauty UK Ultra Gloss top coat. We got the nail stickers. We got the nail polish in Blue Crush. I got a Beauty UK nail file. I got a Beauty UK liquid eyeliner. I got a Beauty UK glitter eyeliner. I got a Beauty UK Lips Matter Velvet Matte Lip Cream. Got a glitter dust. I got a Sweet Cheeks Cream Stick Blusher. And lastly, I got a mini eyeshadow palette. So I know I've shown the prices already on screen, but I'm just going to grab my phone and calculate it for myself and let you guys know the total value. Okay guys, so I've just calculated the prices. Unfortunately, I was not able to find the price for the liquid eyeliner, the nail art stickers, the nail file, the eyeshadow palette, the glitter dust, and that's about it. The rest of the items I was able to find a price for them, so the total comes to $26.50, which I know you guys are thinking that's not £40, that's not worth £40 at all, but I remember many moons ago this eyeliner was sold in Superdrug many years ago, and I actually bought this eyeliner and it was £5 when I bought this. This was a £5. What I think anyway is they've put some live products and discontinued products in the mystery box, which is not a bad thing, because at the time I reckon this eyeshadow palette was probably worth £3 to £4. This was probably worth £1.50. Same with this one. And the glitter dust I reckon was worth £2 to £3. So if I was able to find the prices for those items from this day, I reckon the value would definitely go over £40. I mean, in fact, this I remember being £5. So if I add this on now, so £5, yeah, it comes to £27. So with those added on top of it, I reckon it would definitely hit or be slightly over £40. I hope that makes any sense. So these products here are live. So since these are live on the Beauty UK website, I'm able to see the prices, and they still make these ones from this day. But these items here, they don't make them anymore. So it's not a bad thing. I know you're a bit like up and down thinking, but I do want to see the prices to know if I get my money's worth. I do understand that frustration. But so my personal opinion, do I think the box is worth it? If you're a beginner on makeup, and you haven't bought anything off Beauty UK whatsoever, and you fancy buying a gift for someone, then I think this box would be a really lovely gift for someone. I mean, it's under £20. I paid like, £17 something for it. So it's under £20. It's a reasonable price. You do get a few items in here. You get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 items in there. So 10 items for 17, well, would have been £15, I think is pretty reasonable. I think it is pretty reasonable, and it does cover all areas. You've got something for the nails, you've got something for eyes, you've got something for the lips, you've got something for the face. For me personally, I would love to see like a few more full-size items. So maybe instead of the mini eyeshadow palette, I would want to get like a big eyeshadow palette. I know they sell the big eyeshadow palettes on there, and maybe getting like maybe another eyeliner, like a gel eyeliner or a mascara to go with that. But for the price that it is, I'm really not dissing it for that. But if you're a beginner and you want to get started on makeup and you don't know where to start, then I personally think this box would make a really nice gift for someone younger as well. So someone who's a teenager or something who wants to start out on makeup, or who really loves makeup. Yeah, my only personal opinion is it's just me being makeup. I'm just a very picky person. I would just like to see maybe a full-size eyeshadow palette and maybe a mascara in there, or maybe something else for the face. I'm not really a nail kind of person. I never have been. But it is nice, the fact that they do include nail artists. I mean, they include like a nail polish. They include a top coat. You know what I mean? They do include like a nail file. So there is something there for your nails. I do understand what they're doing. They're trying to cover all the criterias of everything. So, but yeah, that's my personal opinion, and that was me unboxing the Beauty UK mystery box. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.